Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to repair old photos using AI. Let me show you. Within a single click you can change your old photo or damaged photo into a new and color. Yes, from my laptop or desktop I just open image. So this is my damaged photos as you see here. So there is a wrinkles are there, the damaged photos is here. So I just want to make this one into a color. What I have to do here, simple and easiest tip I just want to share with you. So everyone know about a chat GPT. Just open your Google Chrome browser and just go to chat GPT. So once you click a chat GPT, just log in with your Gmail account using the simple click. So I have logged in with my Gmail account over here as you see here. So here you can attach and give the comments. Automatically it will create a new photos. What you have to do here, so here there will be a add photos and files and search web and everything will be there. Just click here to add photos, and add photos and files will be there. Just hit the button. So where your files are located, just choose this one, because I just have my photos over here as you see here. Just click here to open, means automatically the photo will be attached over here. So here there will be a beautiful command. You can give the simple and easiest command: above image clarity and remove the damage and make a color picture of this. So just type this one and just ask whatever you want using this. So I have given the description link of this image as well as the comment over here. So just try it in your chat GPT and just click here to send option. So once you click a send option, automatically you can see a beautiful image with an enhancement. So I already did this one. So as you see here, the output, just scroll down, image is created. As you see here, the beautiful images came here. So you can download this image and you can check it out as you see here. Yeah, so this is a before and after picture I just want to show with you. So ChatGPT has a beautiful option over here. So as you see here, so this is the image which the damaged image. So this is the image which ChatGPT has created for me. So this is a simple and easiest way. So as you see here, so you can see both the images are left and right over here, so that you can able to see and identify with a clear clarity and everything. So whatever you want. So simple and easiest way, using this simple commands to create your beautiful image without any other hesitation. As you see here, yeah. So in ChatGPT will help you how to restore the image using these options, where you can get your images without any other delay. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.